All right, so today we are unboxing the new exhaust. So, see what this bad boy looks like. This is the HKS version 2 HiPower Catback. So, really interested to see what this thing sounds like. I didn't get the version 1 because this heard had a lot of drone and this really cannot stand drones. So I heard this was a no drone system. I also wanted a single exit. I also wanted something JDM, so I thought this would be a good pick. Let's see what this thing looks like. Really nicely packed. So props to HKS. Wow. Look at that. Titanium tip. I don't know the size of this, but this thing's pretty massive. Set it over here, don't want to get that scratched or anything. Some more packing. Here's the actual muffler. That's what the muffler actually looks like. So everything looks like it's like powder coated, or ceramic coated black. Yeah, I guess the tip is just gonna bolt onto here. So you see that. So the HKS is pretty cool. It has this special type of gasket that goes in between. I haven't gotten to the gaskets yet, but I saw some pictures. It fits onto this groove on this side, and it just snugs in. So it's like a zero leak system. That's really cool. Let me just lay this down right here. What else is going on? So it's like the pipe that goes around the differential. I mean, this thing's big. This is a full 3-inch system. Nice mandrel bends. It's very good quality. Last pipe here is the pipe that connects to the front pipe. Dual resonated, so it has the big chamber right here, then it has the Helmholtz resonator right here to help with some of that drone, some of that stuff that we don't want to get into the cabin, but it looks like it's going to be just a direct bolt-on to the current exhaust setup that I have. Currently I have the JDL 3-inch overpipe, front pipe combo. And I did a 3-inch pairing, and then, of course, the JDL turbo kit up front. So this is the hardware I was talking about. These little these rings are the gaskets for the exhaust. So that's cool. And you got some HiPower HKS stickers. JDM. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. That's kind of what it looks like right there. Then we got the tip over here. And yeah, I guess I'll let you guys take a peek. But yeah, if you guys want a rundown of this, just let me know. Let you know what's going on. But we're gonna get this exhaust put on this car shortly. See ya.